What if I told you that the Cadillac 2026 isn't just a car? It's a statement of luxury, power, and the future. And today, I'll show you why. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a detailed look at the Cadillac 2026 model, a luxury vehicle that perfectly blends power, comfort, and future-ready technology. If you're a fan of premium cars and want to know what Cadillac has planned for the future, make sure you watch till the end. Stopwatch about the Cadillac brand 04130. Cadillac has always been a symbol of American luxury and innovation. For decades, the brand has focused on comfort, bold design, and strong performance. With the 2026 lineup, Cadillac continues this legacy while stepping into a more modern and tech-focused era. Stopwatch exterior design 13300. The Cadillac 2026 model features a bold and futuristic exterior design. Sharp LED headlights with a signature Cadillac look. A wide front grille that gives the car a powerful and aggressive stance. Smooth aerodynamic body lines that improve both performance and style. At the rear, sleek LED tail lights and premium detailing make the car stand out, especially at night. Stopwatch interior and comfort 300430. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the luxury Cadillac is known for. High-quality leather seats. Spacious cabin with excellent legroom. Ambient lighting that creates a premium driving atmosphere. Both drivers and passengers enjoy a comfortable and relaxing ride, making this car perfect for long journeys. Stopwatch technology and features 43630. The 2026 Cadillac comes packed with advanced technology, including a large digital infotainment display, touch and voice-activated controls, advanced safety systems such as lane keeping assist, collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features make the vehicle not only luxurious, but also smart and safe. Stopwatch engine and performance 63740. Cadillac has always delivered strong performance, and the 2026 model is no exception. Expected engine options provide smooth and powerful acceleration, excellent road stability, a quiet and refined driving experience. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, this car delivers confidence and comfort. Stopwatch fuel efficiency and driving experience 74840. Despite its luxury and power, Cadillac has worked on improving fuel efficiency. The driving experience is smooth, steering is well-balanced, and road noise is minimal, ensuring a relaxed and enjoyable ride. Stopwatch final thoughts 84930. Overall, the Cadillac 2026 model offers a complete luxury package. Heavy bold design, heavy premium comfort, heavy advanced technology,